Hi friends and family, welcome back to another unboxing. If you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. I would love it if you comment down below so that I can welcome you to this channel. If you are returning, I totally appreciate the support and I am glad and happy to see you back. Today we are going to be reviewing the Boxy Charm Premium for the month of August. This is our last unboxing for August, which I'm grateful that we were able to do all of our August unboxings like in August, except for of course this video. But if you are interested in Boxy Charm Premium or just seeing what my variation is, then please stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I mentioned this in my last video that thank you guys for everything, for all of the support. We are at just about 170 subscribers and I'm super excited about that. I feel like the growth has been pretty steady and progressing on this channel and I am so grateful for that. And I want to remind you guys, like, share and all of those things, because I have plenty of stuff that I am ready to do a giveaway for. So yeah, if you want to share my video, bring your friends along, have them subscribe, then I can give back to you guys more often, and I'm always having extra things around that I'd love to share with you guys. So anyway, with that being said, let's go ahead and start the unboxing. This is the Boxy Charm Premium box, which is $35 a month. You receive 6 full-sized items. And I really do love Boxy Charm. I have lately been getting a lot of skincare, so I'm hoping for a makeup box. Anyway, here is what the inside looks like. This is how you can also tell that it's your premium box if you get the other subscriptions they have as well. It helps you tell the difference apart between those. You do receive a card with their theme this month is Go All Out, which is great for the end of the summer. I feel like, you know, like, let's just do it one last time. And then you do get a list of all of your items, the prices, and a little bit of what they do and how to use them. You do get a variation number here at the bottom in case you're interested in that. And ooh, so we've got a box of goodies. The first thing that I'm going to pull out is the LaRousse makeup removing pads. So it says, oh, it looks like each one does something different. It says recommended use. The white one is to remove makeup, the gray one is to apply toners and serums, and the black one is to wash your face. So I love that it comes in this little pouch. That is super awesome, because I do have some other smaller pads like this that are reusable, and I would like to, I feel like there's a lot of these little pads that would fit in there. Ooh, I do like the size of these. Look at that. I mean, compared to my hand. So yeah, ooh, it feels nice. Oh, I can't wait to give these a try. I love tools, and I do like, I mean, I think that's such a good idea to apply toners and serums. Like, I hadn't thought of that. I'll have to give it a whirl and see. But here is all of the colors up front. And this is a very pricey brand, so I'm curious to see what the price is on this. Oh, they're called Face Discs. This retails for $24. So I feel like even though this is $24, I feel like that's actually more affordable than I thought that they were going to be. I thought they were going to be closer to like the $50 range. So I do like that. So there's that guy. Ooh, let's see. Oh, the next thing we have is a Zoeva powerful lip twist lipstick. So I love Zoeva. This is in the color Rhea. Oh, this is a really nice size. Look at how nice and thick this is. And then here is the color down there. Ooh, very nice. Oh, this, I do love their lip products. I have not tried their lip liners. Look at this color. I love this color. This is, I mean, I don't know. I love it. Very much my thing. I'm excited so far with this box. So this is $14. Yes. Okay, the next thing is okay, this is called Huda Beauty Moonlit Dream Cream Eyeshadow. So I have been into cream eyeshadows lately. I just feel like they're so easy to, you know, do a really quick look and move on with your day. So here is that color. That's gorgeous. It's called Moonlit Dream. I think I already said that. How does this work? Okay, so it's got this type of applicator. I feel like a little is gonna go a long way. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow, that is stunning. Ooh, I love like the maroon plum, the maroon plumness in that. Geez, how many times is it gonna take me to say that? So this one is $28. Oh, this is great. I can't wait to try that or play with that. The next thing in here is, this is the Phoenix Rose Quartz Vibrating Facial Massager. So this is nice. All right, so there is that, nice and big there. Silky rejuvenated skin. It is water resistant, battery operated, and compact design. So it does take one AA battery, reduces fine lines, age, spots, scars, and wrinkles. How much is this? Okay, this is $79.99 by itself. So you guys, I have so many of these tools. I'm not going to use this, so I am going to set it aside. And like I said, as the channel grows, this will be put in a future giveaway. So I do like it. All right, the next thing is Rainforest Mist Flawless Finish Hairspray. I don't usually use hairspray a whole lot. Look at that pump. It's totally different. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, that smells good. It smells really good. It does have a very like rainforest scent. I can't make out what that is. It's not coconut, but it feels similar, or it has a little bit of like a coconutty feel for me. This is Rainforest Mist. Where is that? This is $26. Guys, I don't use hairspray, so this could also go in a future giveaway. And then we have the last thing, and this I think there were two choice items. And I don't remember what the other choice item or what I chose, but I do know this is the one that I did choose. This is the Wishful Honey Balm. So it says it's a luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisturizer for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. The addition of turmeric root extract helps minimize the appearance of hyperpigmentation and unevenness, while niacinamide I'm probably not saying that right. Brightens and visibly reduces the appearance of pores. The soothing lavender scent creates a relaxing and calming moment to enhance your self-care routine. This retails for $49. This is Huda Beauty's skincare line. So I love Huda Beauty, and I love that they are in Boxy Charm. Ooh, look how gorgeous this packaging is. It's very fun. I love that it is a full size. Oh, here's a list of those ingredients and the one that I could not pronounce. Does come sealed. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's very nice. It smells good. You can smell the turmeric and the lavender, but it's very light. And let's see. Oh, it is very like... It does feel like a little bit of honey, and it's kind of an iridescent purple in there, if you can see that. It does, ooh, there you go. I think you guys can kind of see that. Very beautiful. Okay, it does feel very nice on the skin. I can't wait to give this a try. Oh yeah, oh that feels good. Like I feel like you could even use that on your hands or like maybe your elbows if you get dry skin. Oh, this box, okay, this box, I feel like they are redeeming themselves. I've gotten 3 full skincare boxes in a row. It wasn't specifically like the type of a subscription, because it was a very, like, one was Luxe, which was all skincare, and then this last one I shared with you guys this month was the base, and I can't remember what the third one was. So it wasn't like I could cancel one because it was like kind of all over the place. So anyway, short story long. I loved this box. They totally redeemed themselves. Like, even though I'm gonna save 2 of these for a future giveaway, like this was still, I'm still really happy with the box. So the recap is the Wishful face cream, the Zoeva lip liner, the Vesca cream eyeshadow, the Rainforest hairspray, the rose quartz vibrating massager tool, and the face pads. So let me know what you guys thought. Did you like your variation for August? Do you kind of feel the same way? Like they're getting in too much skincare for those of us who like the makeup. Like, I don't necessarily feel like they're curating it based on my quiz and my reviews. I don't feel like it has anything to do with it, but this month's box was definitely good. So you guys, thank you for joining me in this unboxing. Again, like, comment, subscribe, please share, invite your friends and family over to this channel, and follow me on Instagram, because I also do some little mini videos where I swatch palettes and those type of things. So yeah, thank you guys, and we will see you in our next video for September unboxings. Bye guys!